Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only live into dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only love into dreams, baby.
Also picked up some goodies for myself, which I'll show in a minute. I'm literally just in a random parking lot because I still have half an hour till my meeting today, and I'm hoping this wears off because the meeting's at Starbucks and I really want a gingerbread latte. I finished my Christmas shopping and I obviously can't say what I got people on my YouTube channel because those people watch it. Oh my gosh, I look crazy. Got some things at H&M for myself. That I can't show. These things, that's for myself. That I can't, oh my gosh. This is one of the things I got for myself. Just a comfy H&M sweater that's kind of 3/4 sleeve, which I like. And then it has big sleeves, so it's really comfortable. I also got this really cozy knit sweater from H&M, which I'm gonna wear to my meeting. I just sprayed in some dry shampoo. And of course, I love this hat. It's amazing. Good morning. It is 7 in the morning. I just got up. Steve left for work at like 6:30. But I have a few lessons this morning at 9 a.m. So I'm up early because I've been surviving on dry shampoo for the last couple of days, and today's the day I'm using my Olaplex, and I keep hearing things about Olaplex. I didn't even know what it was, to be honest. At first I just saw like TikToks like, point of view, your boyfriend used your Olaplex as like face wash, and the girl's like, you're done. Figured I'd try it out, but first things first, I'm going to make a coffee. I went Christmas shopping yesterday and I got Steve's present and I got my mom's presents, so I can't show them on here because she watches this and so does Steve. They both watch my YouTube videos, so I'll have to show that when it's Christmas time. But anyways, first things first, coffee, and then I'm gonna do a little unboxing of the things I got yesterday apart from the presents. Okay, so we recently moved to rural Ontario and we got so much snow that night. Tonight, as I'm speaking and as I'm editing, we're actually getting 30 centimeters of snow. Comment down below if you like snow or if you're excited for Christmas because it's snowing. It's a little bit too early for my liking, but anyways. Excuse me. Look at this. But how cozy is this room though? Good morning. Want your num-nums? Good morning. Delicious and gourmet. Wow. Again, she always unmakes the bed here. Doesn't put it back. But I did this the other day because I thought I have so many cat things. I may as well put it in the cat room. And her cat bed is so adorable. My mom got it for her recently. It's got all these little kittens all over it. She loves it. She sits on it all the time with my sweater and with this little toy. Also, there's so much snow. Actually, I'm exaggerating. There's not that much snow. It's kind of lightly snowing out, but we got a lot of snow last night apparently. How cozy is this little nook though? It's so cozy. I love this little nook. I can't show half the things from all that I got, but I can show you some of the Sephora stuff. Again, some of it's still present. Some of the stuff from HomeSense is a present, and all of the stuff from one other store is a present. So I'll just show you a couple things that I got for myself. I wanted to try the Inky List. It's basically The Ordinary, but from the UK, I was told, from the girls that work at Sephora. So I got retinol. I also got the peptide moisturizer that is for dry skin, which is absolutely what I need. P5 helps to even skin tone and delay the aging of skin cells, so it's good for anti-aging, blah, blah, blah. I really like how affordable the Inky List is, as well as The Ordinary. I swear by The Ordinary. I got Olaplex to try it out, because again, I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I got the Bond Maintenance Shampoo that's supposed to like save your hair pretty much, because I had like 1,000 points. I got a Tatcha Rice Watch, which I was gonna get anyways, the Tatcha Rice Watch. Always use First Aid Beauty, and I got the Ultra Repair Cream, which I was gonna buy anyways, but since I had 1,000 points, I literally just got so many samples too, which is awesome. Lots of little samples. Oh my goodness. I also got a magazine the other day for some home inspiration. We have a lot of magazines. My mom dropped some off, but I love this one room that has like the black accent wall. I'm thinking that for my studio, doing like a dark gray or like a black accent wall. I think it would pop so nice and look so chic. But anyways, let's go shower and then have breakfast. And then I'm just gonna have this smoothie now. It has spinach, kale, apple, celery, lemon, and ginger. So I get all my greens in. Then I think for breakfast later on, it's just gonna kind of hold me over until breakfast because I have class in about an hour. After my class, I think I'm gonna make a tofu scramble for like a brunch. Anyways, see you later. I need to show this because this moisturizer is so nice. It has like you're kidding. It's so fancy. I already put moisturizer on my face, so I'll just put some more on my neck. This is one of the things I got yesterday too, this top. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of tighter than I thought it would be, but it's perfect because I always see girls wear this top and it looks so cute, but the girls don't have girls, if you know what I mean. I was always nervous to wear these kinds of tops, so I wore over top of a leotard for today's classes. But the fit's perfect. I got size extra small as well, so maybe next time get a size just like a little bit bigger. It's very like Emma Chamberlain, a pair of Levi's, and then a jean jacket on top. It works perfect for active wear because it's super stretchy. Also got a sweater, so cozy. I got this sweater to wear around the house and it's really comfortable. Kind of like a robe. Like when I caught myself in the mirror yesterday at dance, it looked like I was in a house coat. It's good. Today I have a job interview. That'll be nice. Kind of like a trial for their online studio. So I put way too much concealer on that side. I love using this cutest concealer, but I always forget how much to use because I'm so used to having dried out concealers that I have to use a billion pumps for or a lot of product for. But cutest, you really don't have to use that much product, and I always forget. I think I'm just gonna keep things pretty natural today. I'm not gonna do a full wing. When I was working at the opera, when I was a ballerina, for shows, it would take me like 30 minutes to do my full face. And then I'd sweat it off by the end. But you still have to do like a full face. You have to do lipstick, concealer, pretty much everything. Blush, contour, because you're on stage and the lights on you on stage are harsh. So you want to look your best. I remember one time I was a gypsy in a ballet, so I did like heavier, smokier eyes. And apparently on stage, my eyes looked closed because I did like the waterline eyeliner. I learned that the hard way. Another time I put too much blush on. It's really just finding what works for you. Same with like regular makeup. It's just finding what works for your face shape. People always want to look older or younger, whatever. And you can do a lot with makeup, but if you do it for somebody else, what's the point? Do what works for you and what you actually enjoy. I like eyeliner. I know right now the trend is like very natural, smoky, browned out, like very natural, but I like black winged eyeliner. It's my favorite thing to do. I've done the thing where you do the brown and you smoke it out, or even the blue colored. I've done it. Not my thing. I'm gonna stick to what I love, and I think everybody should stick to what they love. I'm gonna go get ready for class now. I should probably put my hair back, but it feels so nice. I could do like a French twist today. That could be nice, but my hair elastics are also wet, so maybe I'll wait to put it up a little bit more. That's good enough. Okay, let's go teach. Also, I got this at Walmart the other day. I couldn't resist. We're putting up our Christmas tree this weekend. I think we're gonna do a TikTok live with it. I'm doing a live on this Sunday, so by the time this video's out, I think I would have already been doing the live or doing it now. But I'm doing a live on Sunday, sewing my pointe shoes and sewing my ballet shoes to answer some questions or just talk and hang out with you guys. So let me know in the comments down below of this video if you want more questions answered. I'm gonna try to do a Q&A every single month, like a part 1 and part 2. Okay, we are back. So we are in the kitchen, I think for lunch / late breakfast, because it's about 11 now. I made a couple TikToks and just kind of scrolled through the app. Hey guys, don't forget to check out my TikTok page. I've been working really hard on it, so I'll put the link in the description down below. I think it's the same as my Instagram, but just with an extra S. So anyways, I'm gonna make that tofu scramble I was talking about. I had that green juice and I also had a bagel with it. I'm gonna have some scrambled tofu with onion, zucchini, and of course some tofu. I also have tempeh. Actually, did I make it all? I think I made it all, but I have some leftover tempeh. My mom also gave me some Love Crunch to take home, which is like my favorite granola ever. It's got flakes of red berries, like raspberries, strawberries, freeze-dried, and then chunks of dark chocolate. So it's kind of like a dessert. Got tofu scramble, and I think I'll have it with like a naan, like a pita, some hummus, and it'll be really good with some ketchup, turmeric, garlic powder. I put in salt and pepper, obviously, and some cumin maybe, and paprika. Key. Also key, lots. I'm gonna try this Tex-Mex too. It's got it, so. Oh my god, I had to record this because we keep Elsa and Luna separate, but they're playing together. Oh, she wants to meet her so bad. Uh-oh. I'm gonna try this carrot bacon too. I got the sweeter flavor, the apple one. No! I thought I got the maple one. I must have grabbed the wrong one. Anyways, and all that's in them is organic carrots, extra virgin olive oil, maple syrup, gluten-free tamari, which is soy sauce, nutritional yeast, spices including onion and garlic powder, natural smoke flavor, and citric acid, and that's it. Oh my god, it looks like bacon. Definitely doesn't taste like bacon. Oh. Definitely has a unique flavor. I picked the worst day to try this out. I just had some fillings down on the side, so I probably shouldn't be eating these, but now it's starting to look a bit more like tofu scramble. Normally I would pair this tofu scramble with some quinoa in it as well, but too lazy, frankly. I also got these from the health food store, the same place that I got carrot bacon. They're called Good to Go. They're chocolate mint, and I think it's a protein bar. I'm gonna try it. I haven't, ooh, it is. It's kind of like a little brownie. Oh, no! I dropped it on the floor. Not worth risking accidentally. Anyways, this is what it looks like. I'm so sad how it dropped. I just realized I forgot a muffin in my car and it's probably gonna be frozen by the time I go get it, but I'm gonna grab it now. And because I dropped my chocolate brownie protein bar, I'm having an after eat. So I did my interview, which was like an audition kind of. She jumped on me the whole time. Like this. So guys, I just finished that and Elsa jumped on me the whole time. Anyways, I wanted to show and share some things that I got the other day. I got this with Steven when we went to Winners. This candle's huge. I mean, how amazing is this? It has 7 wicks. It was only $34.99 for this whole thing, regularly priced at $60. We also have this one that we got recently as a housewarming gift. Apple spice, sand and fog as well. This one has a little Christmas tree thing on it. Same thing, comparable at like $60 or something, which is crazy. Got me this tray, which I don't know what to put in it yet, if I want to put like remotes, because those are kind of ugly for this tray. This tray is so nice. Either put candles or like makeup or my bathroom and toiletry stuff, but these are really nice. I picked up these really nice coasters from HomeSense, and they're all individual quartz coasters basically, and they're comparable at $12. They were $7.99. I know you can get these at Anthropologie for like 50 bucks. So I got one white one, another white one, this kind of periwinkle one, and then this really unique one with all these spots. I also got this blanket, which I might give to my mom for Christmas too, so Mom, if you're watching, if you don't like it, I'll keep it. It's really nice. And then I already have one of these picture frames, and Steven actually has one, but it's broken, so I got him a new one. I also got him his Christmas present, which again, I can't show on this because he's gonna watch this vlog and be like, I know what you got me. I have about an hour and a half until my next class, so I think I'm just gonna take that time, kind of browse through Pinterest and look at home design ideas. Let me know in the comments down below what I should do my studio color in. And so yeah, I love this pillow. So there's the couch, and my mom also got this table that looks really nice, and I keep the coasters on there for now because it kind of matches. And then the candle, Elsa's bed's right there. That's not new. I guess it's all pretty new. The couch is definitely new. We just put the chair in there for now. And then recently, don't mind the mess on here. Again, I was looking through Style and Home things. That's a big candle, more candles. Steven got this recently, which is a really nice painting. And I think it brings the room together, the colors. We have all of our advent calendars on here. You have the Body Shop one, which I'm super excited to start. You have the 12 days, 24 days of tea. And of course, the advent calendar. These paintings are really nice. Steven got these from work, I think. Rewarding myself with a glass of wine on the weekend in like a week, so that's pretty good. Quick costume change. I got this top from H&M yesterday, and I also got this one from H&M. They're just Lulu's, and then these slippers I got at La Vie en Rose. They have an amazing sale. Let's buy one, get one free. I hopped on that. Steve's not getting here for another hour and a half, so I'm gonna cook dinner. Okay, so the asparagus was bad, meaning I'm actually going to make the gnocchi and then roast these tomatoes with some goat's cheese on top, kind of like the TikTok pasta recipe, but I'm gonna do it with the gnocchi instead, so it's gonna be super filling and super delicious. I totally forgot to say that I got this Dr. Jart treatment and this little whiteboard. I also got these little eyebrow shaving razor things. I used to use an oil-based makeup remover, but I found those always got eyes. So the one that I'm using now has witch hazel and coconut oil, so that doesn't really irritate my skin, and it removes makeup super easily. Tiny bit. Ooh, that was a lot. Presses and you can take it out so it's all clean inside. Anyways, thanks for joining me today for this vlog. I know today was kind of random and I didn't really get up to anything exciting or revolutionary, but it's always really fun to film and vlog the day because it kind of feels like I'm hanging out with a friend. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks again for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, and I'm gonna go to bed and wake up tomorrow morning to teach 3-year-olds at 9 a.m. So wish me luck. Bye.